Welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV, your ultimate destination for everything that moves fast and turns heads. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Audi Q3, a compact luxury SUV that's been completely reimagined for the modern driver. Sleeker, smarter, and stronger, the 2026 Q3 proves that small can still mean premium. So buckle up, because what we're about to show you will change the way you think about compact crossovers. Exterior. Right from the start, the new Q3 makes a bold statement. Audi has refined its design language yet again, and the 2026 model is proof that evolution never rests in Ingolstadt. Up front, the Q3 sports a wider, more aggressive single-frame grille finished in black gloss on the S-line trim, framed by sharply contoured air intakes and a redesigned bumper that adds a pinch of muscle without losing elegance. The LED headlamps now feature a new digital signature, adding an animated lighting sequence when locking or unlocking the car. These aren't just lights, say they're a light show, blending style with Audi's signature tech-savvy persona. Slide around to the side and you'll notice the proportions have subtly matured. It's still compact, but there's a more planted stance thanks to a lower beltline and slightly stretched wheelbase. This gives passengers more room inside, which we'll get to in a moment, but it also enhances the overall balance of the car. The shoulder lines are crisp, clean, and confidently sculpted. The S-line models ride on striking 19-nort optional 20-inch alloys that give the car a planted, purposeful look. Flush door handles are new for 2026, and they contribute to a sleeker profile that slices through the wind with less drag and more flair. Even in a world crowded with crossovers, the Q3 still manages to grab attention, especially in bold new color options like District Green and Glacier White Metallic. Now moving to the rear, the 2026 Q3 continues to impress. The taillights have adopted Audi's new 3D light signature, a thin, wide, and modern A, which ties in perfectly with the car's widened stance. A horizontal chrome strip beneath the lights emphasizes the SUV's width while connecting the clusters visually. The rear bumper is now more dynamic, featuring a blacked-out lower diffuser and twin integrated exhaust outlets on sportier trims. From the back, it's clear, the Q3 has grown up, and it's not just another entry-level luxury SUV. It's got presence, poise, and personality. Interior. Open the door and step inside, and the refinement continues. Audi has taken everything we loved about their cabins and made it more intuitive, more comfortable, and more tech-forward. You're immediately greeted by a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster that can be upgraded to a 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus, a crisp, fluid, and fully customizable. The center stack is anchored by an 11.6-inch touchscreen that now integrates haptic feedback for a more tactile response, and the MMI system has been further refined with voice control, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a new over-the-air update function. The materials are everything you'd expect from Audi: a soft touch plastics, brushed aluminum, optional open-pore wood, and stitched leather upholstery in sport trims. Ambient lighting adds a futuristic touch, with up to 30 customizable color options that let you set the mood with just a tap. The front seats are deeply contoured for support and comfort, with optional heating, cooling, and massage functions. Rear seat passengers now get an extra inch of legroom, thanks to the longer wheelbase, and the reclining rear bench folds 40/20/40 to expand cargo space as needed. Speaking of space, the trunk has grown to a generous 25 cubic feet, expandable to 55 cubic feet with the seats down, a perfect for those weekend getaways or grocery hauls. Performance. Under the hood, Audi offers a refined lineup of powertrains. The standard setup is a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing 201 horsepower and 236 pounds-feet of torque. It's paired to a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission that delivers quick shifts and smooth acceleration. For those who crave more power, the Q3 S-line boosts output to 228 horsepower, while maintaining the same torque curve for responsive driving in both city and highway environments. Audi's quattro all-wheel drive system remains standard across the board, ensuring confidence on wet or snowy roads and giving the Q3 a composed, almost athletic feel in the corners. Acceleration from 0 to 60 comes in at around 6.8 seconds for the more powerful version, a more than respectable for a compact luxury SUV. Fuel economy is rated at approximately 25 miles per gallon city and 30 miles per gallon highway, depending on configuration. A mild hybrid version is also in the pipeline, though as of now, it's expected to launch closer to late 2026 or early 2027. The ride quality has been enhanced thanks to improved suspension geometry, with adaptive dampers available on higher trims for those who want a softer cruise or a firmer sport setting at the touch of a button. On the tech and safety front, the Q3 continues to shine. Standard features include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Opt for the Premium Plus or Prestige trims, and you'll also get adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, lane centering assist, a surround view camera, and park assist features. Audi's new AI-based traffic prediction tool learns your driving habits and can suggest alternative routes or departure times based on real-time traffic data, all displayed elegantly through the MMI interface or voice command. The 2026 Audi Q3 is available in 3 core trims: Premium, Premium Plus, and Prestige. Pricing starts at around $39,000 for the base Premium trim, which already includes leather upholstery, panoramic sunroof, and the digital cockpit. Step up to the Premium Plus at approximately $43,000, and you'll enjoy upgraded audio, wireless phone charging, adaptive cruise control, and additional driver aids. The top-tier Prestige trim starts near $47,000, adding the larger digital cockpit, navigation with augmented reality, matrix LED headlights, and upgraded materials throughout. Fully optioned, you're looking at a figure close to $52,000, which still undercuts many rivals from BMW and Mercedes while offering more standard tech. So, who is the 2026 Audi Q3 really for? It's for the buyer who wants versatility without giving up luxury. For the city driver who needs efficiency but craves performance. For the family who values safety, space, and technology all wrapped in one sleek, unmistakably German package. It's for people who want to drive something that feels a class above, without paying the premium badge tax. In a segment filled with compromises, the Q3 stands tall, or perhaps more accurately, stands wide, stylish, and ready for anything. From its sculpted exterior to its high-tech, high-comfort interior, and its peppy yet efficient drivetrain, the 2026 Audi Q3 brings the best of Audi's premium DNA to a compact platform that fits modern lifestyles perfectly. It's not just a baby Q5 anymore, it's a true standout in its own right. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2026 Audi Q3. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more content like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Turbo Trendz TV, and drop a comment below letting us know what you think about Audi's latest compact luxury SUV. Is it a hit or a miss? Would you take it over BMW X1 or a Mercedes GLA? We want to hear from you. Until next time, keep your wheels spinning and your trends turbocharged. Thanks for watching Turbo Trendz TV. Catch you in the next one.